Hello students, welcome all of you. Today in our new video we are going to see more examples of tenses. Okay, the first sentence: his father sat at the big kitchen table. Rewrite using past continuous tense. See, while turning any sentence into another tense, first of all it is necessary for you to learn about SVO structure. It means, first of all, you have to find out the subject, verb, and object from the sentence. Okay, so see the sentence: his father sat at the big kitchen table. Now, see what is the subject here? His father. And what is the verb? Sat. Understand? So it is necessary for us to identify the subject and the verb from the sentence. Now see, what are the three forms of the verb sat? Sat is the past tense, and what is the base form of that verb? Sit. Understand? So what are the three forms? Sit, sat, sat. Now we have to convert this sentence into past continuous tense. Okay, what is the structure of past continuous tense? Subject plus was or were plus ing form of the verb plus object. So, see, first of all, write down the subject. What is the subject? His father. And then was or were. His father is a singular subject, so we have to use was. Then ing form of the verb sat. What is the verb? Sat. And what is the ing form? Sitting. So what is the sentence? What is the answer? His father was sitting at the big kitchen table. Second sentence. See, I took him around with me. Rewrite using present perfect continuous tense. See, just visualize the chart of the structures of the tenses. Present perfect continuous tense means our fourth column. And what is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. Now identify the verb, subject and the verb from the sentence. I is the subject, then took is the verb. Now see the three forms of the verb: take, took, taken. Okay. Now what is the answer? Subject plus have or has. So I have, and see we have to use been and then the ing form of the verb. So I have been taking him around with me. Now the third sentence: I brought it home. Rewrite using present perfect tense. Present perfect. Perfect means our third column. And what is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus PPV, that is past participle of the verb plus object. So see, I have brought it at home. Brought, see the three forms: bring, brought, and brought. Okay, now the next sentence: paddy cultivation is disappearing from my village. Rewrite using present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous means our fourth column, perfect continuous. Okay, what is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus been plus ing form of the verb plus object. So what is the answer? See the sentence: paddy cultivation. It is our subject. So paddy cultivation has been disappearing from my village. Now the next sentence: I have been listening long since the sound tuck tuck tuck. And see the instruction: identify the tense. You have to just identify which tense is used in the sentence. See, have been listening. It means that to have plus been plus ing. So which tense is used here? Present perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now the next sentence. Today I say goodbye with heavy heart. Rewrite using present continuous tense. Present continuous means our second column. So what is the structure? Subject plus am or is or are plus ing form of the verb plus object. Okay. So see here, what is the subject? I is subject. Okay. So today I am saying goodbye with heavy heart. What is the verb here? Say. Okay, so ing form is saying. Now the next sentence. I tramped back to the farm. Rewrite using past perfect tense. Past perfect means our third column. And what is the structure? Subject plus had plus PPV, that is past participle of the verb plus object. What is the subject? I. Then tramped is the verb here. So what is the answer? I had tramped back to the farm. Okay. Now the next sentence. Other boys were wasting their early years. See, other boys is the subject, were wasting is the verb. And now we have to turn this sentence into past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous means our last column, fourth column. So what is the structure? Subject plus had plus been plus ing plus object. So, subject, other boys had been wasting their early years. Okay, now the next sentence. Multani Mitti takes its name from a place in Pakistan. Rewrite using present perfect tense. Present perfect means which column? Third column. What is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus PPV, that is past participle of the verb plus object. What is the subject here? Multani Mitti. Then takes is a verb. And what are the three forms of this verb? Take, took, taken. We have to use the PPV, means we have to use taken. So what is the answer? Multani Mitti has taken its name from a place in Pakistan. And the last sentence, see, community organizations play a major role in decision making. Rewrite using present perfect tense. See, the given sentence. What is the subject here? Community organizations. And what is the verb? Play is a verb. The given sentence, play is the base form of the verb. So the given sentence is in simple present tense and we have to turn it into present perfect tense. Understand? So present perfect means our third column. And what is the structure? Subject plus have or has plus past participle of the verb plus object. So the answer is community organizations. As it is the plural form, we have to use have. Community organizations have played a major role in decision making. Okay, we have gone through the sentences. I think you got the idea how to convert the sentences into the other tenses. Now see, I am going to give you some sentences as a homework. See what we have to do. You just have to identify the tenses used in these particular sentences. Okay. Now the first sentence for your homework. See, The operating team had gone to bed nice and early. The second sentence, 93 families have come back to the village. Third one, I visited the country farm of a friend. Fourth one, India has been breaking its own world record. Fifth one, I spent my high school years in Calcutta. Sixth one, our country has been striving for since independence. Seventh one, but it is making a huge difference. Eighth one, you will have taken a giant step towards greener horizons. Next one, the number of people on this planet right now is approaching 7 billion. And the last sentence, we did a lot of reading and research. Okay, what you have to do? First of all, try to identify the subject as well as the verb from the sentence and just visualize the structures of the tenses and try to identify the tenses used in these sentences. Okay, it is easy for you. Just make the practice and you will get the